Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your GK class. So today we will complete exercise 32, in which we have some pictures of modern electronic gadgets. You have to just identify the picture, and with the help of this hint box you have to write the correct name of device. Okay, first one you all can easily guess, second one also you can guess, third also. I will talk about the fourth one. It's a picture of a bionic eye. Okay, so this bionic eye is used to implement to the person who has the low vision. So basically it is used to restore the vision. Okay, and in fifth picture is a picture of a smart watch which comes with many advanced feature. Actually smart watches comes with different feature. Okay, so in smart watches they have feature. They can measure your, they can tell you about your pulse rate and beats, and about uh, means if you want to use some additional feature of the watch, so you can watch, you can store pictures in it. Okay, and it measures your pulse rate and everything. Okay, and some watches comes with the feature in which you can track of that how much you have walked today. Means all these kinds of applications comes within in this smartwatch. Okay, so in next picture, picture 6 is a picture of an iPod which is actually used to listen music. Okay, and in seventh picture you all can see is a picture of a guitar. Actually it is it's a touch screen guitar. Normally you all have seen guitars, you all know that how to play guitar. उसमें wires होते हैं and you have to play the guitar, है ना. And in this touch screen guitar you just need to touch the particular, as you all can see that many wires are, some are visible in blue color, some are in pink color. So as you touch accordingly, and in this handle also, when you touch any wire accordingly, so it sound like a real guitar. Okay, and in this eighth picture it's a picture of a GPS navigator which is used to guide, which actually it works like a map. This GPS navigator, actually it is an application which is used in a car also, है ना. And there are many devices which comes with inbuilt GPS system, like in our mobile phones also. There is a GPS application. We can switch on the GPS. So you, if you switch on the GPS, so it tells about your location where you are. And if you use GPS system in your, like in your car you have GPS system, so it shows you the map that where you are going, what is the route, and it also tells your position on the map also. So basically it is very useful application. And this device particularly is this device is GPS navigator which you can use separately. Okay, I was discussing about the application GPS which we can use in, but it's a separate device which you can use separately. Okay, so I hope the first three pictures you all can easily identify and you can understand. And as in this help box hints are also given, so with the help of these hints you can write the name of all the electronic devices, all these modern electronic gadgets. All these gadgets have make our life very easy, you know. Like you do not need to go anywhere for just knowing your BP and pulse rate, you know. There are many devices which comes with this inbuilt feature, you know. And in this in the field of television or movies, you know, different kinds of televisions are available in which you can watch the videos in 3D quality, in which it looks like it's happening in front of you only, you know. And like I have told you about the bionic eye. So these are some main electronic gadgets which are very useful for us, and which somewhere in our life they makes our life easy. They help us to do, like finding a path is a very tough task, है ना, but using GPS you can easily track the way. Okay. So that's all for today. You just complete this page, exercise 32 only. In the next video we will start the next unit. Okay, so for today complete exercise 32 only. Okay, take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Bye bye.